Hi, my name's Art. I'm from Bass Lake area, and I like to stop here all the time. It's a very good place. It's like mom and pop's deal. Just like back in my dad's garage. It's getting ready for the snow here. Only place to find it, and reasonable deal, reasonable price. This is the only place to go. It's really a unique place. Stuff that you don't even find other places, and they'll have it. I was pretty impressed with the stuff that they carry and stuff that you find, and it's still old school. Like back in the day, looking for parts that you can't find anymore, you'll find it here. Coming here is just like being at home with friends and enjoying them. Good customer service, local, and can't say any much more. It's just so happy with them. Have a good time.